So, are you talking a little bit with Mommy? Are you having a little bit of a chat? You're such a good boy, yeah. Talk a little bit more with Mommy. Tell Mommy the story about how you slept, and then you ate, and then what you did next. Huh? Can you talk with Mommy a little bit? Oh, there you are starting to talk. Can you talk some more? Okay. Well, can you say goodbye? Bye. You're a cutie. Cutie will come back to you again later. Bye. Bye.